Hey boaters, this is Paul with the Next Boat Channel. We are down here at South Lake Union in Seattle at the Sun Country Marine Group headquarters for the Northwest. We've got a whole bunch of Rivieras and some brokerage boats. We're gonna go out and walk the dock a little bit, run through one or two boats, show you some of the inventory. Let's go check them out. All right, here we are at the docks. We've got a 4600 Platinum Edition. It's a carryover model. It's got 3 staterooms, 2 heads, really nice layout. This is a turnkey cruiser ready to spend a day out on the lake with your friends or run through the locks and spend a week up in the San Juans. Like I mentioned, we've got a lot of variety down here at Sun Country Marine. We've got whalers too, 19 Montauk, if this is more your speed, or both. You could tow this with this. Let's go. One of my favorite boats is behind me. It's a Navon C30. It's an all-weather adventure boat and perfectly suited for the Northwest. If one of these other two doesn't suit your needs, maybe this will. It's got twin 225 Mercuries, so it cruises along at a pretty good clip. Fully enclosed, so it's an all-weather platform. Nice big space back here with a seating area. Glass window that opens all the way up to give you fresh airflow. Sliding doors on both sides. I mean, it's a very long list of cool features. If you can think of it, pretty much this boat can do it. All right, on the other side of the dock, we've got even more boats. We've got a Riviera 505 SUV, a Sea Ray 510 Flybridge, really nice boat. It's only a couple years old. Kind of cool. Instead of an inflatable, it comes with a whaler tender, which gives you way more interior space. And then at the end, this boat is not for sale, it's already sold. Over here we've got a customer-owned, ordered Platinum Series. Same sort of configuration as the 4600, just way bigger. All right, we had some extra visitors today. Wasn't expecting these guys, but they're not really making a nuisance of themselves, which is nice. Thanks for stopping by our location down here at South Lake Union, and we'll see you on the next boat.